How to check Netflix login devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can check some of the logged in devices on Netflix. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to check some of the logged in devices of your Netflix account, what you want to do is go ahead and launch the Netflix app. Once you launch the Netflix app, you'll basically see this kind of interface. So log into your account first. Now let's say I want to check the people who are currently logged into my Netflix account. Well, that is simply possible as well. Tap on the profile name on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on your profile name, you will see all these options. You have to go to the option that says account over here. As you go to account, you will see all these sorts of your account settings. Over here, we will scroll down to the bottom. You'll find security and privacy, and you'll also find the option that says manage access and devices. So in order to check the login activity of our Netflix account, we will just go to manage access and devices. As we do so, we will be able to see all of the devices that are currently connected with our Netflix account. So you can see at first I have the Apple iPhone, then I have an Android phone, and again I have an Android phone as well. If I want to log out from any of these, I could basically tap on the sign out button and I would be logged out of these devices, which means your Netflix account is not going to remain there. If you want to log out of all of the devices in a nutshell, then you can simply tap on sign out of all devices, and including yours, you're simply going to be signed out of your Netflix account as well. And that's all it takes to check your login activity on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.